Hi everyone, my name is Henrik. I am the performance chef at the Kitchen TV. So I don't know if you're familiar with the Kitchen TV, but the Kitchen TV, if you're not familiar, I would recommend to look at YouTube, and especially at the Neotis YouTube channel, and you will find a topic called the Kitchen TV. So the Kitchen TV is about explaining cooking sessions on technical topics around performance. Today it's a specific session dedicated for the Perf Guild conference, and the topic of today is how to shift left by shifting right. A lot of buzzwords here. I think it's a lot of things going on around with this topic here. But here today, I want to cook something special, and especially I want to cook a wedding cake. You know, those cakes with a lot of layers, quite big, that you present in a wedding. And this is what we're going to build. And when you prepare that type of complex cake here, obviously there is one thing you don't want. You don't want to have that cake collapsing, destroying the wedding and so on. Exactly like that build here. So to do that, I'm pretty sure that we've got a couple of ideas, because here I'm talking to performance engineers. We're going to do performance testing, of course, but we want to do a smarter way. So we're going to do early performance testing here. So the thing about when you do early performance testing, the thing is, what should I test? And the idea is also to provide a test that will reflect reality. And this is the most complex. And to do that, I think the most efficient thing is to utilize data or tools that are in our production environment and that will help us to build up our workload model. That's exactly the topic of this session. So to do this, we're going to do in a couple of steps. The first step is I'm going to remind the importance of early performance engineering. Okay, you know that, but I still have to do that because we need to remind. Second one is I'm going to also remind the type of solution that we have in our production environment and how we could basically take advantage of those. Third, I will take the example of pure shift left, so doing component testing, and how can I build up or figure out what should be meaningful to test and build up the workload model. So explain the process to do that. And last, we can do the same thing but with logs, more complex of course. So I'm going to explain also an approach to do that very quickly to extract the production load logs and basically rebuild maybe user journeys. So not on the component level but more on the end-to-end. So a couple of things here today. I won't be able to go to the code level because obviously we have a very short session here. But of course, if you need more information, just ask me a question in the Q&A. I'll be more than delighted to answer those questions. All right, I think now we could start. So let's go to the step number one.